Today, we're hardening Debian 13, turning a fresh, stable install into a secure workstation or server. Debian is known for reliability, but out of the box, it's intentionally minimal, which means you decide how much security you want. In this video, we apply a set of proven steps that improve safety without breaking Debian's classic stability. Nothing experimental, nothing distro-specific, just real, tested Linux security practices that work cleanly on Debian 13. We start with system updates. Debian's repos are conservative but still receive security patches quickly. Running a full update ensures you're not using outdated libraries or vulnerable packages. On Debian, upgrading regularly is one of the biggest defensive steps. Next, we configure the uncomplicated firewall, or UFW. Debian doesn't enable a firewall by default, and many users forget about it because Debian feels so safe. But if the machine is ever exposed to the network, even inside a home router, enabling UFW blocks unwanted connections and gives you control over what's allowed. Then we bring in Fail2Ban. Even if you don't run SSH, Fail2Ban is extremely lightweight and protects you the moment you decide to enable remote access. It automatically bans IPs after repeated failed login attempts. Debian supports Fail2Ban out of the box, and enabling it takes seconds. After this, we move into AppArmor, Debian's default mandatory access control framework. It's quiet, reliable, and powerful. Many profiles start in complain mode so they don't block anything. Switching them to enforce gives you real containment. If a compromised application tries to step outside its allowed sandbox, AppArmor stops it instantly. Debian also includes several services that may run automatically, especially on laptops or desktops. We'll disable unnecessary services like Avahi or Bluetooth when they aren't needed. This reduces attack surface and cuts down on background processes. Then we strengthen the system with some kernel hardening basics. Disabling core dumps prevents sensitive memory data from being written to disk, which is useful on any shared system. We also check secure boot status, because if secure boot is active, Debian automatically enables key kernel lockdown features. For file scanning, we install ClamAV, which is very mature on Debian. It's great for scanning USB drives, documents, and anything that passes through your workstation. Even though Debian is Linux, malware often comes from Windows devices. ClamAV helps you catch infected files before they spread. Finally, we take a quick look at log monitoring and the journal. Debian uses systemd journald, and checking the logs regularly helps you spot unusual behavior before it becomes a real problem. By the end of this tutorial, your Debian 13 machine will have an active firewall, intrusion protection, enforced application sandboxing, reduced services, hardened kernel settings, and a working malware scanner. It stays fast, clean, and stable, but far more secure. Let's lock down Debian the right way.